Hi guys. The more I observe dating and relationships, the more I'm led to one single conclusion. Most people have absolutely no idea what they want from each other. I will go as far as to say that there's one mindset mistake that's the very strong dividing line between the small number of desirable men that get all the attention from women and the plethora of men still struggling to keep one single woman interested. That grave mistake is putting women on a pedestal. There's a common saying that goes, if you treat her like a celebrity, she'll treat you like a fan. Listen, the difference between a celebrity and a fan comes down to three things: worth, status, and position. Celebrities have something unique that makes people pay attention to them, whether it's talent, looks, or something else. On the other hand, when you're a fan, you become just another guy cheering her on, liking all her pictures, and agreeing with every single thing she says. If this is the dynamic that defines your relationship with a woman, more than likely you're making that same mistake. Now, of course, this doesn't mean that you shouldn't show gestures of interest and attraction, but when it's done from a position of weakness, submission, and neediness, that's when you're putting her on a pedestal. It usually results from a failure to understand how the female mind works, and it usually ends up terribly without the guy even realizing what he did wrong. You may think running in circles around a woman, bending to her every whim, and showering her with love and affection should make her fall for you, but you're wrong. A man like this only shows her that he's missing all of the masculine qualities she desires. Qualities like assertiveness, leadership, courage, independent thought, and unapologetic confidence that's not dependent on someone else. A man that lacks these qualities and sees women as the prize inevitably devalues himself in her eyes. And if you truly understand how women select men from a biological standpoint, you know that they look for strong, dependable men that they admire and can follow confidently. None of these qualities are present in the guy who's a people pleaser or the one whose desire for validation from women ends up striking at the knee of his masculinity. Men like this make up a large portion of the male population, brought up on the back end of Disney movies that show them false narratives of manhood. It makes them unaware of what truly makes them masculine and attractive. It may seem like a paradox at first, but this is also partly the reason why a lot of women fall for the bad boy type. These guys do swing to the complete opposite side of the spectrum, but the draw for a lot of women is they display a degree of masculinity and assertiveness that make them desirable. Real women don't want to be put on a pedestal. They don't want a man that defers to them for every decision and centers his entire life around them. A man like this is exciting precisely because he holds his own frame and he makes the woman a part of it. There's too many men out here falling into that trap of being there for her every beck and call. But for a real woman, it's not about the quantity of the guys, it's about the quality. She will overlook all other guys for that one man that truly excites her. This is the guy that sometimes disagrees with her, spends time away from her, and builds anticipation. And because of these things, every single moment spent with him is more valuable than all the other guys running back and forth and running laps around her. It's this difference of frame and dynamic that differentiates a small percentile of attractive men from the vast majority of forgettable guys that come and go in a woman's life. Now that you know that, it's your choice which one you'd rather be. So with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.